So you received my invitation. That tells me two things. One, you can read. Two, somebody thinks that you are a drama queen like Juju. I know exactly how you feel. You are having a terrible time. After all, your suffering is their doing, and they should know that you are helpless to make things as they should be. Don't worry, my little kumquat. Do as I do. Continue to cry and pout and demand their attentions. Soon enough, they will come to know the truth, that you and I are the only important people in this filthy dust bowl. And the world owes us both a good time. If all else fails, try crying out by the trash fence. That gets them every time. Au revoir, mon ami.